Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to come on real quick before I have to go to work. Yes, I'm back to work with my old job, and it's a whole new position, whole new learning. I had to learn other things from what I was doing. So which is good, and by the time I get off of work, I am so exhausted. I think I'm more mind drained because I'm learning all kinds of things all at once, and so I meant to do this video for Lisa Douglas, and I'll have her link down below for everybody. I meant to do this Tuesday night, I think, but I had just gone into work, or that was my first day of work, and oh my gosh, I was exhausted by that night, by that by that time. So she sent me a package. I had sent her some goodies for a wish that she asked. I think it was ribbons and stuff like that, and she asked if I could do a video. She's making masks, women's mask. She doesn't have any masculine um, material to make, masculine masks, but she is selling this on her channel. And again, I'll have her link down below for everybody if you're interested. She's selling them $5. I'm sorry, not $5. Oh my God, 5 for $10, and I think it's a great deal, considering other places are selling them $5 or $6 for a mask. But I love handmade masks. I made tons of them in the beginning of this pandemic, and they're really fun to make. Very easy. She found some of the elastic. I used hair ties in the beginning. And look how great quality, look how cute that is, you know. And it's just, I think it's two layers, two layers of, material. So, and I love these. Oh, this is like my favorite. I love the dark color. You could actually do this inside out, so you got two for one, you know what I mean? So I love this one. This one's my favorite. Even though I'm not a blue girl, but this, I don't know what, I'm attracted to this one for some reason. This one's really cute. And look at the inside of the material. Very nice. Very nice, Lisa. You did a great job on these. This one is like, you can use it inside or out. So yeah, if you're interested, I'll have Lisa's um, channel down below so you guys can request for a set or two from her. And I just went ahead and told her I'll do a video for her. And this was so nice of her to send me some. So thank you so much, Lisa, and thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.